Yeah, it's almost there. That's crazy. Yo, you can see it. No. That should be it. I believe that's it. All right, we are at the spot. We have a giant beach to share with a bunch of people. I got my camera set up there looking at the sun, getting some nice pictures. We got the drone ready to go. I'm gonna get that up right before just to get everybody's reaction. There's the boys. They think I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to you guys, so. People are already starting to react to the shift in the darkness. It should be very close, like we are very close to. I don't know the precise timing, it's gonna be hard to predict, but I do have an app running everything. Hopefully we'll see it. I'm somewhere.
You wouldn't be that high.
Yeah. Gotta make sure a bird doesn't attack it.
Where is it? Do you can see it?
It's right there, actually, next to the birds.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Yeah, almost.
Yeah.
See me a shot of.
What is going on here? What is this darkness now? Isn't that weird? What time is it?
7 o'clock.
3:13 in the afternoon. Looks like the sun's setting or something. Let's see how the animals react. The frogs are still going crazy back here. We're supposed to be able to hear crickets and stuff, but it's so dark already. I mean, we're like minutes away now, so it's supposed to be dark. My camera makes it look kind of light, like normal, but it's fucking dark.
It's getting a little colder over here.
Shit. You notice the temperature change?
Temperature change.
Shit.
What?
$60 seconds.
60 seconds.
Observe for shadow bands.
60 seconds.
Look over there, all the lights on the window.
Oh, where?
40 seconds. Observe
Oh, wow.
umbra approach.
Whoa. Those are weird colors.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Hands on camera filters.
Put on camera filters. What the heck?
Oh, that's cool.
20.
20.
Remove camera filters.
Remove camera Oh my god, what? What the?
15.
15 seconds.
See, all my camera installs.
10.
9. 6. 5. 4. 3.
4,
Whoa!
2.
What?
1.
What the?
Glasses
What?
off. Glasses off.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What?
Observe for planets and
What?
stars.
What is? What? So what?
That's pretty cool. Look, let's see the like a star in the sky. Oh yeah, that's cool.
There's fireworks? Oh, cool.
Where?
Over to the right, far right.
Fireworks?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
What the? Oh, I got some good shots. What?
That's cool. That is sweet.
It's so dark too. I forgot to. Oh my god, look how dark it is. Is the drone okay? Yeah, the drone's good.
And it cleared up.
Yeah. What is going on?
Cleared up like as soon as we needed it to. That's so weird.
Max eclipse in 10 seconds.
Max eclipse in 10 seconds. That's gonna be the middle part. So we got lots of time still.
5, 4, 3,
That's the max
2,
right here.
1.
Oh man. What is going on up
Observe the horizon.
there? Can the drone even see? What is going on? This is fucking crazy. What is going on here? There's a plane going? What the fuck? It's hard to see on camera, but I'll get the pictures to show you guys. I'm rattled. It's so dark. It's like nighttime. The camera makes it look like it's kind of daytime, but it's night here. There's no light. Like, look at all this.
No, I don't.
Third contact in 20 seconds.
20 seconds, it's gonna start ending.
15,
15 seconds.
10. Get your glasses.
Get your glasses.
I'm just I'm using the glasses.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glasses on. Glasses on.
Whoa.
Glasses on.
Whoa! What? Whoa!
Plus 10 seconds.
Plus 10,
Plus
yeah.
15. Replace camera filters.
Damn, what is... And now it's daytime.
Plus 25. Observe for shadow band.
Whoa, it's getting so bright.
Plus 45. Observe umbra exit.
Whoa.
I'm worried for another 20 years for doing it.
Yeah.
Plus
Oh, there's another
60.
drone. I thought so.
Enjoy the partial phase phenomena in reverse order.
Wait, is that mine?
Next notification
Okay.
is fourth
I was like, is mine
contact.
emergency landing? And I just don't know.
Some guy just hacked it.
That's crazy. That is crazy. Now it's daytime.